Okay, this is a quick walkthrough on how to set up the system. First thing is you have the laptop set up and it's already running Virtual DJ. The Virtual DJ icon is right here. You have your wireless mouse connected to the laptop here. In the back of the laptop, you've got the power supply, which is here, which is plugged in down below. You have this black cable here, which is plugged into the mixer. That's how the computer talks to the mixer. Then you have this speckled cable, which is your HDMI cable, and it runs into the monitor here. You can see that cable. Also on the back of the laptop, there's the network cable that's plugged into the box down below. The other thing about the external monitor is you have to have power, so the power is hooked up down below with the blue cable. Okay, the mixer, you need your four-way set up here, and be sure your red and white matches what it's on here. It goes into the DTI box. The DTI box plugged in here is the XLR cables from the big box down below. So all that's hooked up, and then we've already talked about this cable here that's hooked up to the laptop. So coming down below, we want to be sure that we scan for open channels on these mic set systems. And once you find an open channel, then you turn the mic on, take the cover off the back, point it towards this and hit this unit, which sends the infrared signal, which syncs it. Both of the microphone things need to be on separate channels. You just keep cycling it until you get the open channel that's different from the other unit. Down below here, we've got the main volume control. Keep it pretty much like it is to avoid the buzzing that we're having. Then down here, we have the speakers. The red cables are coming out from the PIO box. Coming out from the mixer itself is these two cables. They go into the PIO box. So in with these, out to the speakers, and that hopefully helps cut down on the noise that we might have. Going up to the speakers, we want to be sure that we've got the speak-on cable plugged in. You turn it and it'll click to lock, and then it's plugged in to the top of the woofer. Then moving down towards the bottom here, we have the speaker hooked up here, and then we have the power supply. Also, we have over here, we have volume. It's a little hard to see, but volume, and then there we go. Volume, and then we want to make sure that that switch is like it is to work. And that's basically the setup of everything. Everything that needs power gets plugged into this power strip, and then the power strip itself gets plugged into the main power of the mixer. And so that's the setup. So that is everything in a nutshell. The only other thing is on the front of the DJ booth, we've got the LED display. The LED display needs to have its power cable run behind the facade here and have it plug in downstairs to the surge protector box. And that is a complete setup of the system.